Now to a quick check of the developments in the Karnataka High Court on the case between IPS officers suspended for the Bengaluru stampede and the government, Vasudha. While the government had blamed the officers and justified the suspension, the counsel for IPS officer Vikash Kumar Vikash argued firmly that there was no documentary evidence to support the suspension of the officers today in court.
That's right, Veera. He further argued that the Commissioner of Bengaluru himself oversaw the security and that the government suspended the officers out of embarrassment even before the investigations could begin in this case. He insinuated that the government had unfairly blamed the police. This case, Veera, could have far-reaching ramifications on the overall investigation into the stampede.
That's right, Vasudha. This is the case where the government had, remember, challenged the Central Administrative Tribunal's order revoking the suspension of IPS officer Vikas Kumar Vikash. Deepak Bhupanna has the details.
Well, it seems like there's no end to the blame game as far as the Bengaluru stampede is concerned because, you have 11 people who've lost their lives, you have multiple people who are injured. But even till today, it seems like there is not one person that you can pinpoint and say this is the person who should be held accountable, because on one hand the government in the beginning said it was the RCB, it was the KSCA, it was the DNA to blame. Eventually their Judicial Commission reports, their statements in the media and in court are suggesting that it was the police that were acting like the servants of the RCB and unilaterally went ahead and allowed for the event to happen despite written permissions not being given. Even in court today, a lot of drama played out. It was the turn today of the advocates on behalf of the IPS officers now to blame the government, going on to say that, well, the suspension was uncalled for, it was without any sort of documentation, it was just to save the government of embarrassment that they went ahead and did this hasty decision, took this hasty decision rather of suspending these police officers. The arguments, of course, as far as the lawyers of the IPS officer has concluded, once again there will be a rebuttal that will come in from the government. The matter has been posted for the 21st. This is, of course, in connection to the suspension of the officers, where the CAT had revoked the suspension now that has been challenged by the Karnataka government.